guys, welcome to my Diwali party look. I hope you like it. So first I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape and just going over my eyebrows before I fill them in. Then I'm using the Benefica brush in shade 5 and using the Morphe eyebrow brush just to fill those in. So I'm going to do mine natural because I've got my shape already, so I'm just going over it really and filling it in. Then I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in medium just to clean them up with the Morphe concealer brush as well. Just going as close as you can to the eyebrows just to clean them up and give them a bit of a sharper look. I'm using the Base Pro primer just all over my face to prime the skin. Then I'm using the Urban Decay primer just all over the eyes. And I'm getting a white shadow brush from the Jacqueline Morphe palette. And to put that white all over my eye using the Morphe Firm Blending Fluff brush as well. Just patting it all over. Then to do the crease colour, I'm using a neutral colour from the palette. Same brush and just blend it in my crease. Then I'm going for a bit darker to build the colour up in my crease again. Then I'm getting the blending brush by Morphe and the NYX Ultimate palette and starting with a lighter blue shade first and just building that in my crease again. Then I'm getting a darker blue, just slightly darker to the one I used before. Put that in the corner and my crease again. Just keep blending. Then I'm getting the royal blue from the Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette and just deepen it up that crease colour. And keep blending. So I'm using the same pointed fluff blending brush. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey and a concealer brush just to cut my crease out so I don't go any higher, I'm just going just where my crease is. Just like so. And then put in a white colour eyeshadow that I use for my base just on top of that to set the eyeshadow, the concealer. And using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner and just putting that on top of my crease where I've cut my crease. Just a little bit. Not going all the way down, just a little bit. Then I'm using the brown eyeshadow just to deepen up the corner to give it a bit of a smoky look. Adding more and blending until you've got enough. Then I'm just putting a bit of blue just in the corner before the brown. Now I'm using the Illamasqua Pure Pigment, which is like a snow white kind of colour, a bit of like a glitter just to put on top of where the white is, next to the blue. And just pat that on. Now I'm just getting another blending brush by Smashbox just to blend it out. Now I'm using that same pure pigment from Illamasqua to put in the corner again. Just clean those eyes up with eye makeup remover. Now I'm just going to put some concealer Shape Tape underneath to conceal my eyes. And blend it out with a beauty blender. Now I'm using a flat liner brush by Morphe and just putting that same royal blue colour from the Morphe palette just under my eyes and make sure to blend it. Now I'm using the Maybelline Drama Eye Gel Liner and Morphe Gel Liner brush just to draw my liner. So I always start from the end and then go in. It's a lot easier to do. Now I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Punjab. I love this foundation, it's like a medium coverage, but also gives a nice glow to it as well. Now I'm using the Clinique contouring chubby stick just to contour, so I'm putting that on my cheeks, nose, forehead, and then just blending that out with the beauty blender again. Then I'm using Laura Mercier bronzer and just going over where I contoured with the contour stick and just blending it out using a Real Techniques brush here. I'm using the Huda Beauty highlight palette and using one of my old Ted Baker blush brushes and putting the blush on from the highlighter first. Then I'm going to use the Real Techniques highlighter brush and put the highlight colour on top. Anywhere where you want to highlight really, so where the sun hits your face. Now I'm using the Isla Exaggerate eyelashes. I love these lashes. I should have put one with the tweezer, but I thought, no, I'll be quick and use my hands, so I should have used the tweezer. Anyway, there aren't, so I'm using the Hypnose Lancome mascara just to go on top and under my lashes. And then I'm filling in a little bit of eyeliner a bit more because there's a bit of a gap up with the eyelashes on. Now I'm using Sleek Matte Me Liquid Lipstick. There, that's the final look. I'm going to finish it off with an Indian suit and some earrings. I hope you like this look. So this is something different I've done this time. So I've never really put blue on my eyes before, so it was a bit daring of me, but I absolutely love it. I really think blue does suit people with brown eyes. Yes, this is my Indian bridal look. Follow me on Instagram as well sorry, I've changed my name on Instagram, at everythingbridal_Muir. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Keep liking my videos and subscribe. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye.